Good morning. This is Ryan McNally with the McNally TV no-go on the snow report so far. The media has put the 10 million people in the Chicago metropolitan area into a frenzy over this snow. And so far, the McNally TV prediction of we're only going to get about an inch holds true. I know it's not supposed to start snowing hard until about 3 o'clock this afternoon, but they always, they're comparing this to the blizzard of '67, and there hasn't even been barely a single snowflake yet. And that is the Willis Tower behind me, known as Big Willie, formerly known as Prince. This is Ryan McNally with the calm before the storm, no-go on the snow report on February 1st. Spring is next month.